Welcome to the video introduction to Minitab dashboards. In this video, we'll preview this valuable new capability available in the Minitab Solution Center. Minitab dashboards provide an easy-to-use platform for transforming raw data into dynamic visualizations and analytics. Leveraging the power of Minitab Analytics, you can choose from a wide array of visualizations and process quality tools that facilitate meaningful data exploration. To get started, drag a visualization onto the dashboard. You can customize the size and layout of all your dashboard elements to create a consistent and meaningful summary that meets your needs. You can also use Minitab AI to create your visualizations. Each time you open a data file, you have the option to use Minitab AI to create your dashboard assets. You can also select the Minitab AI button. Dashboard slicers can be added for dynamic filtering of your data visualizations, allowing you to focus on specific categories or investigate particular numeric or date ranges. With a click of a button, dashboards can be refreshed when data connection changes are made in the data center or when new data is available. Dashboards can be built on multiple data sources and can consist of multiple pages. When you've discovered a key insight from your dashboard that requires further statistical analysis, simply choose Open in Minitab from the Data Connections panel to open a new instance of the Minitab web app with your data loaded in the worksheet. Whether you are collaborating with others or simply wanting to share the results of your findings, Minitab dashboard files can be downloaded or shared through your preferred cloud repository with editing privileges or as read-only. You can also disseminate the results on any or all your dashboard pages by exporting them to a PDF file. Minitab dashboards help you transform raw data into actionable intelligence. For more information about our Minitab products, go to minitab.com.